Beginning any new adventure, it is impossible to know what it will be like until you're in the middle of it. Sometimes the most unexpected things will appear in the path, changing the direction of an adventure entirely. For good or for bad is up to interpretation.
It says that this should all be paid. Like we can join it later.
The summer day cycling through Serbia started like any other. We packed up camp, took some wrong turns to avoid main roads, and began climbing up some hills. We left Tara National Park the day before. Now 3 months into our journey across Europe, our next stop would be Dermator National Park in Montenegro.
So we made it with it.
The goal for the day was 36 kilometres, with lots of elevation gain and gravel, ending at a campsite near a lake.
Starting the first descent, we stopped for lunch between the trees, and a massive dog waltzed straight in between us.
We shouldn't feed it. And we decide we are.
I was afraid of him at first, but he was just a big
Skin and
baby.
bone.
Yeah, he's like...
I guess we gotta
He might not, and we have a long way to go. I'm sure he won't follow all the way. Hope that's not my famous last words.
I think he's yours now. You can, yeah. God, that's shocking. I mean, he can't be a young puppy, but that was a puppy bar.
After 5 kilometres with him, we were quickly getting attached. Silly, I know, but we called him Buttercup, a contrast to his intimidating appearance.
Hey, Buttercup. Yeah. Dude's got beans.
You do have beans.
Why you got so many beans? Oh, you gave him beans, Ollie.
I don't give you like baked beans or nothing.
When we hit the main road, some locals caught his attention, and we left as he soaked up the scratches of a lifetime.
I'm sad about that one. He can't follow us on this road though. Yeah.
Little did we know what waited for us at the peak of our climb.
Lunch spot number 2. The only problem is I can't lean my back. Hi! Oh, what are we gonna do?
They are actually a nice breed.
Oh my
They're
god,
like
look at
labs or
you.
something.
Hi! Can I hold you? Oh, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? They're so cute. Oh. We need a parent's opinion. Alright, let's find out. We have a little boy. Hi, little boy.
Okay.
Little boy. Little girl. I know you're a girl. Oh, Ollie, we can't leave them.
Oh, they've got water.
They do have water. Why would you do that?
We sat with them for several hours, searching online for any shelters nearby, any option other than leaving them. A local finally stopped as the sun began to drop and told us that they had been there for 5 days. He had been feeding them and was hopeful people would adopt them, but was particularly worried about the girl. Apparently, because of the immense number of strays in Serbia, it is common for the elders of the community to drown female puppies, which was absolutely horrifying to hear.
Hey!
Darkness fell quickly, and rather than make a rushed decision, we decided to set up camp nearby.
Accompanied by another 4-legged friend, the night and the next morning were spent scanning the internet, which led us to 3 major conclusions. Firstly, there were no shelters within 100 kilometres of us, and none in all of Serbia that were no-kill shelters. Secondly, many people travelling into the Balkans have stood where we were standing. Third, there is a thing called dog packing. Cautionary phone calls to our parents came back at a 95% conclusion of no, don't do it, walk away while you still can. I think they all knew we had already decided.
Yeah, it's too fun.
It was midday by the time we rode back to the dumpsters.
Yeah, 3 books. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that was a bit close, guys. Hello. We're back. This one. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Oh, Baba. You're so cute. Why would somebody not take you?
Placing her in my front bag, we suddenly went from being void of any responsibility to being in control of an entire life.
You're gonna fall asleep. She's doing really well. She just doesn't like to feel completely enclosed. And she won't have to be as long as she has a harness on.
Yeah.
We agreed not to name her until she had been checked by a vet in the next town, just in case she needed to be put down.
That's so random.
But by nightfall, Ollie had named her Tara, both after the national park we had just left, and as a nod to the tuatara lizard, native to New Zealand.
So pretty.
I'm going to go over there to as for this.
Give me that one's seat. So good. Little critter, you've got the precious cargo.
The ride to the next town was 20 kilometers. We took it slow and steady.
So we've done 7 kilometers with her,
Mine?
without her whining basically.
Yeah.
She's collapsing a little bit. We'll turn and go down.
And you are looking for?
A veterinarian. We need to get it vaccinated and checked.
Do you have internet?
Yes.
I can show you. Možeš da zovneš ovog... Ja, da vidiš gdje je. From?
Oh, New Zealand.
New Zealand. What trouble?
New Zealand?
Yeah.
What trouble made to come here?
Oh, well, we flew to Amsterdam. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Have a nice time and good luck.
Thank you.
Tara was treated for worms, and we would need to come back in 3 days for a vaccination against parvovirus.
She fits so perfectly in there. I think that bigger one was going, it would fit on my bike. It's just, it would be a little different.
We got a crate to fit my bike and harness to keep her safe.
And man, she's so cute. And now she's got a purple was right.
Yeah, was I? What are you doing?
Lucky. Oh, that's your leg. That's piss leg.
There we go. This leg.
Yeah, it was great.
I'm so sweetie. Why? What is this for? She's so good.
The next few days were spent in an apartment in Nova Varos, as we got to know her and her us.
Hello.
Hi. Hey, sweetie. She's gonna get bigger. So that's gonna be her crate.
In just the 3 days between her vet visits, she had grown too big for her first basket.
Hopefully she just goes straight to sleep again.
What's this? Is that the company?
Oh, straight to sleep. Perfect.
Or 4 points on the back and then 1 point in the front.
Recycled zip ties.
We've lost 1 so far. You passed me the multi-tool?
Great.
The size difference.
Yeah.
That was just, yeah.
Hopeful.
It was quite hopeful. Who knew that was a waste of time? Oh, she's Ollie is cutting a hole so that she can be up and have some fresh air. Just like this one. But a bit better.
So flexy.
Do you want me to stand on it?
That's okay.
Okay. Oh,
Because anything other than the things before.
Ollie's prediction is 1 month. I predict 6 weeks until she's grown out of it.
So basically
A month and a half. This is a month. We shall see.
The vet told us that she needed to be at least 3 months old in order to get a rabies vaccination and her pet passport. We were told to come back in 2 weeks' time. This was quite the hold up, considering we weren't planning on being in Serbia for more than 10 days, and we were only 2 days away from Montenegro.
So confused. But our plans were never set in stone. We would wait.
Yeah, it'll fit.
There were plenty of things to see in Serbia.
I don't mind. Look at you, shiny new collar.
A canyon called the UVAC piqued our interest, so we set off with a new companion to explore her country.
Is that right?
Now 2 bikes, 2 kiwis, and 1 puppy. They're really big cows, Sada. You're not taking them on. It's so silly.
You fit in my hand.
They're massive. Those are big girls.